Ever wonder why some products on TikTok become overnight sensation, whilst others barely get a second glance? It's not magic or dumb luck, it's strategy. Knowing that strategy unlocks a world of sales you can't even imagine. And for some odd reason, people don't like sharing this strategy. So it's time to uncover the secrets of TikTok. I want to say a quick thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I picked Skillshare for a specific reason and you'll soon see why, but more on them later. We're going to learn how to leverage TikTok to get maximum t-shirt sales, or if you have an e-commerce product that you dropship or something, this applies to you. So listen closely. Why should you care about using TikTok? TikTok officially took off in 2018. They now have over 1.6 billion monthly active users. It has the longest retention time of any social media platform. It's also the most popular app downloaded in the United States, surpassing Instagram by 27 million downloads. Basically, TikTok is a powerhouse, and well, if you're not using it, what are you thinking? Mastering TikTok will allow you to increase your reach and therefore increase your sales. And in this video, I want to go over some key principles that you need to consider when using TikTok. Then I want to share with you a free resource which I have made for you so that you can utilize it and have explosive TikTok growth. You need to start with your profile. This will act like your landing page, with the main aim to get followers and link clicks. So we need to build an absolutely phenomenal profile. A lot of people just use their name and then fill out the bio with useless information that no one cares about. Then they just end it with a terrible profile picture, which, well, quite honestly, just scares off any potential follower you may have had. You want to spend time on your profile. You want to understand your audience, and you want to know what they want so that you can deliver it. That way, when they land on your profile, you'll get that extra engagement. You'll get that follow. You'll get everything that you want to get out of that person. Now, your profile will depend heavily on what niche you pick. Picking a niche is an insanely big task on its own, and you have to do this carefully. Don't just pick any random niche. This is quite an easy trap to fall into, especially with print on demand, where most people, all they want is sales. There's no big picture there. Nowadays, well, that doesn't work so well. Print on demand is rather saturated, and I want to be real with you. Doing what used to work doesn't really help anymore. We have to mix things up. Rather than being average in many niches, we want to be an absolute expert in one niche. So write down, what are you passionate about? What do you know about? What are your expertise? If you can't think of anything, don't worry. All hope isn't lost. You can use Google, you can use ChatGPT. In fact, I would actually recommend that you use ChatGPT and use it to become an expert. Now, some people will say, it can take months and years to become an expert about something, but really it doesn't. Especially when you ask the right questions, you could become an expert of a niche very quickly. Once you know your niche inside and out, you will also know your customer. You'll know what they want to see, what they want to buy, how they think, and how they feel. Trust me, knowing this information changes everything. Next, you need to start creating content. There are 5 types of content that I'm going to tell you about. The last one being the best, most successful type of content ever tested. This alone has gotten me tens of thousands of followers and thousands upon thousands of sales. But before we go over these 5 types of content, let me tell you about this free resource that I've made for you. I have made a free 6-part TikTok course teaching you everything, every detail, from setting up your profile to finding and mastering a niche, all the way through to content creating, posting, ad creation. It's super concise with no fluff whatsoever. And I've hosted that course on none other than Skillshare. Skillshare actually have a pretty cool offer on at the moment where the first 1,000 people that click the link down below and sign up will get 1 month free. In that 1 month, you can take my entire TikTok course that I have just made for you. As well as that, you can also take my other print-on-demand course if you haven't already, all within this first month. And after that month, what you decide to do with your Skillshare account is completely up to you. I've been working on this TikTok course for quite a long time, and the fact that I'm able to bring it to you now for free is just epic, and I can't wait for everyone to try it out. This is my Skillshare profile, and you can see my building a print-on-demand business is here, and this is my print-on-demand course. And then you can see mastering TikTok for e-commerce. Now, in this course, there is going to be 6 main modules. Part 4 is going to be boosting with ads, and this one is by far the best one with the most secret strategies that people do not want to be talking about, but I don't care. I think everyone can use this and benefit from this. Now, as well as my course that you're able to get on Skillshare, which personally, I think makes signing up worth it, but I'm obviously biased. It's my course. You can also learn so many other things. We can search for, let's just search for TikTok, and we can see what else we have here. There are 193 results, some serious heavy hitters here, some brilliant courses. But then maybe you don't want to just learn about TikTok because you've got my amazing course. Let's be real. Let's say you now want to learn about design. So let's put in t-shirt design. Let's see what comes up. So we have 182 results. T-shirt design masterclass in Photoshop. There is a serious amount of education on Skillshare. Some really good classes. And personally, I actually have a couple of favorites. Some that have really shaped the way I do my business and how I create my designs for print on demand. So if I haven't already convinced you, it's definitely worth it to click the link down below. Be one of the people that get the first month free. Take the TikTok course that I've built for you and then take as much as you possibly can in that 1 month. Now, let's go over the 5 types of content that you can create for your TikTok account. Let's talk about video series. I won't go into too much detail here as I do that extensively in the course. This is without a doubt the best one for rapid growth. And I know you're probably thinking, well, hang on, surely trending content is the best. Well, actually, it's not. And trending content can actually lead to burnout really fast. Now, the reason why video series is so good is because each piece of content takes your viewer through a journey and they want to follow you to continue on with your journey and watch you with your journey. Let's say, for example, your niche is fitness, and just by the way, your product could be fitness t-shirts, a fitness product that you've drop shipped. It doesn't really matter. Don't think of the product just yet. A great series would be a group of exercises or a weight loss journey or a bulking journey. You could even do a series per sport. So exercises for cycling, exercises for football. There are literally endless ideas, and that's just in the fitness and exercise niche. Now, if you're thinking, well, I don't want to create all of this content, that's not what I'm here for, that's fine. You can create a faceless TikTok account, but if you're thinking you can't be bothered to create a TikTok account, it's just not what you want to do, you don't even want to pay someone else to do it, it's just not you. Well, all I'll say is good luck. Those who are not leveraging social media are being left behind. And as well as being left behind, they have to pay a fortune on paid ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, and even TikTok ads because they are not leveraging free traffic. It's more obvious than it has ever been before how powerful social media is. Now, that one type of content, video series, can drastically blow up your TikTok account. So imagine, what could utilizing all 5 types of content do to your TikTok account? And I haven't even spoken about the game changer yet. Let me tell you about this. A while back, when Facebook pages was what everyone could talk about, I utilized a tactic that allowed me to grow pages really, really fast for really, really cheap. I even made a couple of videos about it 6 years ago. I was able to get genuinely engaged followers to my pages for 0.007 cents. Meaning I was actually able to grow a page to over 100,000 followers for under $1,000. That is totally unheard of, and I'm quite proud of it. I have a slight confession. I haven't actually looked at that page in years. And truth be told, Facebook is a bit dead at the moment. Well, I think Facebook pages are a bit dead at the moment. And genuinely what has replaced that is Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Either way, at the time, this kind of growth was unheard of. And they weren't crappy click farm followers. They were highly engaged, targeted people that were following my page, buying my products, interacting with my posts. It was a good time to be alive. This, however, was 6 years ago. So why is it relevant? Let me bring you to today, where you can achieve those same results or incredibly similar results for TikTok. These life-changing results will allow you to build a page to 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers, whatever you want. And I've specifically created an entire video talking about this strategy. So my video part 4, using TikTok to boost your page with TikTok ads, well, it's not just how to use TikTok ads, it's actually how to use this specific strategy so that you can get 1 cent or even less than a cent followers, so that you could build, or you can explode, I should say, your TikTok page. And that way you can start selling them on services, on products, on t-shirts. And again, remember, this is free. The link below will take you to Skillshare where you sign up. It's a free month where you can take my TikTok course. It's time to start thinking bigger than just creating design. So mastering the art of marketing will take you out of that sales slump that you might be experiencing. You've got this. You can do it. So click the link down below, try out the course, and let me know in the comments what you think and if there's anything extra you want me to add. I also want to make the same type of thing for Facebook and for Instagram and for YouTube. So hopefully if you like this TikTok one and it goes well, then I'm very much going to make the same thing but in all these other social media platforms. So click the link down below and hopefully I'll see you over there in Skillshare.